So typically the words Sennheiser and budget don't go in the same sentence, but today that changes. We're taking a look at the Sennheiser HD250 Bluetooth headphones. The price on these is only 69 bucks. So let's go ahead and check out all the details and see if these are worth the price. Alright, so the first thing that you notice when you grab the headphones is that they are extremely lightweight. They've got a matte plastic finish all the way around, which is going to remind you of the price tag almost immediately because it feels extremely budget. So if you're looking for something that's going to give you a more premium feel, this is not going to be it. You've got some branding on each side of the ear cups, and one thing I'm not a fan of is this wire that runs across the headphones. Another thing I'm not really a fan of is that the headphones don't fold and the ear cups don't swivel. You can see that they do flex a little, but as far as portability, these aren't the most ideal. On the bottom of the right ear cup is where you have your controls, as well as your USB Type-C charging port. So you have your volume buttons and your play and pause button, which also serves as your track control button. As far as the ear cups, you do have some slight padding there, but it's definitely not memory foam or anything like that. And of course, the headband is fully adjustable to accommodate different head sizes. So the headphones are running Bluetooth 5.0, and they do support SBC, AAC, as well as aptX low latency. So we'll be sure to do a latency test here shortly. As far as battery life, you're looking at roughly 25 hours on a single charge, and there is no jack for a 3.5mm audio cable, so you won't be able to use the headphones if the battery does die. Now let's go ahead and do a latency test to see how the headphones perform. So the fact that the headphones are so lightweight, it does make them pretty comfortable to wear. And since I have smaller ears, the ear cups almost completely surround my ears, but for people with medium to larger size ears, these are definitely going to be on-ear headphones. And even though the headband doesn't feature any padding, I haven't really experienced any discomfort from wearing the headphones. The controls are easy to use, so again, you have your volume up and down, as well as your play and pause, which also serves as your track controls. Now, when it comes to the sound quality, what really helps these is that you can customize the EQ via the Sennheiser app. So the clarity sounds really good, but you can dial it up even more within the app if you would like. And the same with the bass. These do give you some nice punchy bass, but one thing I noticed is that if you do dial the bass all the way up within the app, it can sound a little bit boomy. So not necessarily the best sound quality around, but I do think it's solid considering the price. So let's go ahead and do a microphone test to give you guys an idea of the call quality. All right, so this is a microphone test of the Sennheiser HD250. So this should give you a rough idea as to how you would sound if you use these to take phone calls. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. So overall, I think the headphones are just okay. The build quality is not really anything that's going to impress you. You are getting some decent sound, and I do like the fact that you can customize the EQ via the Sennheiser app. But the challenge that I have is that the budget space is just so competitive these days that, I mean, you could literally spend $10 additional and get something like the Soundcore Life Q30, which would give you better build quality, the same if not better sound quality, as well as some more premium features like active noise canceling and transparency mode. I like the idea of Sennheiser releasing items for the more budget conscious audience, but for the price, I do feel like there's better options out there. So that's going to be it for this video. Do me a favor, if you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up to help support the channel. And if you're interested in grabbing a pair of these headphones, be sure to check out the affiliate links down in the description. Aside from that, as always, I'll see you guys next time.